Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create bubble map chart in Excel 2016. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to create the bubble map chart. At first, select some data. Click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the insert menu. Select the recommended chart option. Then go to the all chart. Now I am select the bubble chart. Go to the chart and find the bubble chart. Go to the XY scatter and choose the bubble. You can add the 3D bubble. Now I am select this bubble and click OK. Now we can see we create a bubble chart in Excel very easily. You can rename the title. Click inside the text box and select the title and write the title. Now we can see we make a bubble chart in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.